In today's video, I will walk you through how to check balance of account on MT5. To get started, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer the way you normally would. When the platform opens, the first thing you need to do is make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. If you're not already logged in, go to the menu at the top of the screen and click File. From the File menu, select Open an Account. A list of available accounts will appear. Choose the specific account that you want to open. For example, you might choose an FTMO account, an XNEST account, or another account that appears in your list. Click the account you want to use and complete the login process if needed. Once you're successfully logged in, return to the main MetaTrader 5 window. Next, look toward the bottom of the platform and find the Trade tab. Click the Trade tab to open it. This section displays
Incoming
the
mail.
account information you're looking for. Inside the Trade tab, you'll be able to see your balance. You'll also see your equity. In addition, you'll find your free margin displayed in the same section. If you want to check the amount available in your account, look at the free margin value. This shows what you have left in your account as free exposable income. If you switch to another trading account later, you can repeat the same process to check that account as well. Go to File, choose Open an Account, select the account you want, log in, and then return to the Trade tab to view its information. The values shown in the Trade tab always correspond to the account that is currently logged in. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you've selected the correct one before checking the balance. Once you've opened the correct account, the Trade tab will
Incoming
update to
mail.
display the information for that account. Whenever you want to review your account balance again, simply open MetaTrader 5, confirm you're logged into the correct account, and open the Trade tab. There you'll be able to view the balance, equity, and free margin at any time. If you change accounts, repeat the login process through the File menu, and then return to the Trade tab to view the updated account details. That's all there is to checking your account balance in MetaTrader 5. Log into the account you want to use, open the Trade tab, and you'll be able to see your balance, equity, and free margin directly from the bottom of the platform. Thank you for watching.